Hey everyone, it's your girl Leila. Welcome back to my channel.
No matter what they try, I'll stay by your side. It's you and
Okay guys, I have a DH haul for you today. I got some amazing bags and I am really excited to film this video. So if you guys are not already subscribed, please go ahead, click that subscribe button below. I upload 3 times a week, Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday. And by the way, Patreon saw all of these bags first. So if you are interested in all DH content 24/7, that's what you're into, definitely consider following me on Patreon. I also have a free trial going on right now, so you can check out some of my older content and see if you actually want to subscribe. But as far as new unboxings and stuff, that is for my paid subscribers. It's only $5 a month. If you are interested, definitely check me out on Patreon. So let's get right into this. I have 3 amazing bags and they all came with boxes. They all came with boxes, so I love that. And I'm gonna start with this one first. So let's get right into it. If you guys have any questions regarding any of these bags, definitely check the description box below and let's get right into the video. So the first one right here is this beautiful bag right here in this beautiful box. I just love this packaging. I'm all about the packaging. If it comes in boxes, I am a sucker for that, because a lot of things that you do buy on Dhgate do not come with like pretty packaging, or you have to pay extra for it. But let's get right into this unboxing, okay? Because I have seen this before. Like I said, I filmed a Patreon video already on this, so I already know what it looks like and all of that stuff. But it does come in a dust bag right here. I haven't actually fully unwrapped everything because I wanted to save that for this video. So this is the beautiful dust bag it comes in. It feels like a silk dust bag. It is very beautiful, and it does have the swan on the front and the bag on the inside. I want to go over with what it comes with as well as far as accessories goes. It comes with this, which is a beautiful scarf that you can use to tie around the handle. It looks like this. It is a beautiful, almost like coral color. So this is going to be perfect for spring. I definitely had spring and summer in mind when I picked out these items. So this is upside down, sorry about that, but that's what the scarf looks like, and you can use this as an accessory. You can tie it around the handle if you'd like. I think that's what I might do. And then it also comes with the receipts and stuff on the inside, so that is really nice. Let's go ahead and open the bag. So this is the cutie right here. It is so adorable. It's such a small little cute spring bag and I absolutely love it. I love the fact that the hardware and stuff comes really nicely protected. It does come in its own cute little dust bag. And I'm taking that out right there. I'll take off all the packaging and show you guys kind of what the bag looks like. It's also tied with a ribbon. So cute. And this is like, I think, the perfect spring bag. I did pick the smaller size. I maybe should have went for like the one up that's slightly bigger than this because it would fit more things, but I think that this is so cute. And the color is what got me. That's why I picked this out. I absolutely love the color of this bag. So on the inside, it does come with the straps and all of that good stuff. It's also really well protected. It's definitely, you know, the feet are covered and everything like that. So I'll definitely take off all of that for you. So the interior just looks like this. It does have like a monogram canvas interior, and it does have one zip compartment. I don't know if you guys can see the zipper dangling down, but it does have a zip compartment on this side, and then the flap just closes over it like this so your stuff stays inside. Very nice spring piece. I know I've said it already, but I absolutely love this color for spring. I'm also really into the fact that the hardware actually matches the bag. So you're getting not gold, not silver chains, you're getting a color that matches the bag perfectly, and this is so heavy. It does come with 2 straps, so you can either pick the chain handle, and it does also have this right here so you can protect your shoulder and the chain's not going to be digging into your shoulder, and it does match the bag absolutely perfectly. Love that. And then it also comes with a plain handle, so if you're more into just a plain strap, you don't want to have a chain dangling around or anything like that, it does come with the plain leather strap as well. And the hardware, of course, on this is also that pink toned hardware. I don't know how I would describe this color. I think it's more of like a pinky mauve. I think that's how I would describe this, as like a pinky mauve. So let's get all of the foam off of the handles so I can show you guys what the bag actually looks like if I was to carry it.
1 hour later.
Okay, so this is with all of that, tape and stuff removed from the hardware. The hardware is absolutely beautiful. I do love this charm on the side. And if you are wondering, yes, it's in the correct order. The D is not backwards or anything like that. It's absolutely perfect. That is what the hardware also looks like without the tape. And then that's what the handles look like without the foam on it. So this bag overall looks really good. It came really well protected. The stitching and everything is stunning. I can't wait to wear this in the spring. It's just getting to be spring right now. It just actually snowed last week, so it definitely felt like winter last week, but it definitely feels like spring now. I'm excited to take this out on some spring adventures, maybe some walks and that sort of thing. I think it's gonna fit like most of my stuff in here. It is a mini bag, however, I think it will definitely hold up a lot. I also prefer carrying this as a handle bag versus with the long strap on it and as a shoulder bag, but you do have that option, which is nice. So I absolutely love this. It is one of my favorite pieces in this video. Okay, moving on to the next one. So the next item is another purse. It's all purses, just a disclaimer, this is all purses, but it comes in this box. It is absolutely beautiful. There's no dents or anything like that. The box isn't destroyed or anything like that, which is really nice, and I really appreciate that, because you never know with DH. Some items you can get, in a box that's destroyed. Sometimes you don't even get a box altogether, but I do love the fact that this all came in boxes. Also, this one is magnetic. It's magnetic, so it's actually really, really nice. And it opens this way too, so you can take your bag out like that. But yeah, if you have any guesses, this is the bag right here, and it comes in this dust bag, which is really nice. It holds the bag perfectly. So I actually do repurpose these. I don't necessarily use these for the bags themselves, but when I'm traveling, I do carry socks in them and stuff like that. So they actually do come in really handy. And this is the bag right here. Oh my gosh, she's super beautiful. Look at her. I have been wanting one of these for the longest time, and I finally got one. So I believe that this is the small. I don't think that this is the medium. I feel like the medium is slightly bigger. However, for a small bag, this is pretty big. I do own the mini version of this one, and it is tiny. So that makes me think that this is the small size. But that's what it looks like. It does have this beautiful heart on the back, very, very classic to this type of bag. And the leather and everything is absolutely stunning, super shiny. And I cannot wait to use this. Again, I think that this is gonna be like my summer bag, my summer staple. So I'm gonna take off the tape so you guys can have a look at the hardware. So that is what the hardware looks like. It is this perfect antique gold. It's nothing too gold, nothing too yellow tone or anything like that. It's absolutely perfect. And then to open this bag, I was a little confused because I do own the mini, and the mini just snaps in, but you do have to push the bottom of this part and then pull up. So the inside of the bag does come with a full-size, full-length chain, which you can either have it on 2 or you can have it on 1, just as a kind of like a shoulder bag. And also I love the fact that this is gold tone chain plus the leather tab right here to protect your shoulders. So it's a mix of a chain and a leather strap, which is really nice. And then the inside of the bag just looks like this. It is a microfiber lining, which is really nice. And then it has the, you know, designer name right there on the tab on the inside, and it does have one pocket. I like to use that for either a lip gloss or my change purse, blotting papers, that sort of thing, so that actually comes in really handy. I really like the lining on this. It's super soft. The microfiber is really, really nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and take off the plastic from the strap so you guys can see what it looks like.
1 hour later.
Okay, that took really long to undo all of that plastic off of the chain, but I finally got it. That's one of my pet peeves. I know that they have to package it like that, but I'm like, why? Because it takes so long when I'm like unboxing things to take off just plastic, and now there's plastic everywhere. But yeah, you can wear this as a long strap. Love this part. Love it when designers do this. I like it when they mix the chain and the leather. I think it's like really beautiful. I'd rather have that than just like a, you know, just plain chain bag. So I do like that. So you can wear it like this, and it goes pretty far down. I'll try to do some mod shots as well. And you can also bring the chain up and you can wear it like this. Is probably how I'm gonna wear this more often. I feel like it's more comfortable like that, and it does look really good. So that's what it looks like. I think that this is a beautiful classic bag, and I can't believe it's taken me this long to get it. And overall, the quality and the stitching and all of that good stuff is really beautiful on this bag. So I really like it. I cannot wait to use this. Like I said, I'm probably gonna wear this like all summer long for the most part because it is so pretty. And the last bag that I got is the perfect summer beach bag ever. And it's right here. It comes in a box as well, and the box is enormous, but it's also thin, right? And I was like, this is packaged really extremely well. And again, there's no like major dents or anything in the box. The box came absolutely perfectly. Let's go ahead and open this up. So it does come with some receipts, and it comes with this as well for the handles, but this one is gray. The first one I showed you guys was more of like a floral color. This one is a beautiful gray and cream color, and then of course the back looks like that. So really, really nice accessory. You can use that for the bag or you can use it for something else. And we're gonna take this out, the box out of my way because it's huge. And this is what the dust bag looks like. And again, fits the bag absolutely perfectly. It's really cute because it has a swan on the front. And if you can't guess what this is, you should be able to guess what this is. It's right here. Oh my goodness, this is my favorite bag out of all of the ones that I got. I was not expecting to love this as much as I do, but this is gonna be the perfect summer beach bag. And this is a bag, okay? The handles are, I have it upside down, but the handles are right here. So this is what it looks like. I do wanna put something on the inside so I can show you what it looks like when you would be carrying it around. So I have this bag of popcorn right here because I want to show you guys how it would look if you had something inside and it wasn't completely flat. So I love the fact that this seller took the time to fold it properly. Like, it came in a box, of course, but I've had some items come to me from Dhgate where the creasing is just weird. It's in weird places, stuff is folded weird. It's like one of my biggest pet peeves, especially when it comes to leather tote bags, is the worst thing is to have like a big crease down the middle because the seller folded it in half, or it didn't come in a box or something like that. But this is absolutely perfect. This is what I was worried about with this bag. I thought that there was going to be like a crease here or something because I have seen that before. But there's absolutely no creasing, and the bag is absolutely perfect. So it was folded down the bottom, which is supposed to be, and it is absolutely beautiful. I've seen people at the airport with this bag, so when I was coming home, I knew that I was getting this in the mail, and I'm like, I cannot wait to actually see what it looks like in real life, because I saw so many people at the airport with this bag. So especially in the Philippines, there is literally packaging all over my floor. There's like plastic, there's foam, there's everything. So I'm gonna have to do a cleanup before I leave my house. But this bag, oh my gosh, I am so excited for this. If you are curious of what the inside looks like and the handles and stuff, so I'll do a close-up of it. That's what the handles look like. Stitching and everything is absolutely perfect, spot on. And then the front looks like this. It does look like the perfume box that I just reviewed. I just reviewed this perfume on my channel, and it looks just like how the box looks like, which is amazing. I love that. So that's that. And then the inside of the bag is very similar to the outside. It's just one big canvas bag. Very good quality. It's super thick, and the material feels really nice and sturdy. It also has a leather tab on the inside right there, and it does have a serial number on the back. If you guys were curious, it does have the proper markings and everything, and so does the previous two bags I showed you. It's just really hard for me to show you on a smaller scale. This one was way easier, but it all does come with those characteristics and stuff like that. I can get more into detail for you guys on Patreon, so if you do want a full review where I go really super in depth with each of these bags, definitely check me out on Patreon, but I can't really say a whole lot here on YouTube. So that is all for this haul. I do hope you guys enjoyed this one, and I am looking forward to doing more of these in the future. So I will see you guys soon in a new video. If you are not already subscribed, please go ahead, click that subscribe button below. I upload 3 times a week, Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday. And like I said, if you have any questions regarding any of these items, check the description box below. And I will see you soon with a new video. Bye!
I'll let you know.